Hello, this is the FASTANK 1, a 1 cubic meter tank which weighs 12.7 kilos and comes in a carry satchel which is 90 by 30 by 20 centimeters. Let me show you how it is assembled. Inside there is an assembly sheet with a diagrammatic instructions as to how the tank is assembled and how the accessories fit. These are the top beams. And these are the uprights. In the uprights, the fixing pins are captured in the T-piece when the product is packaged. The packaged components are held together with Velcro straps. Unroll the enclosure. Take the legs, they're inserted into the pocket. Now for the beams. Always remember the beams go underneath the orange flap. And the beam is held in place with a stainless steel pit pin. Again, the beam goes underneath the flap. Pull out the fixing pin. Beam. Once again, onto the flap. The pit pins are held with lanyards adjacent to where they're going to be used. The only remaining thing is to ensure the base of the tank is flat. So a couple of minutes assembly is all that's required. If it needs to be carried, it's just light enough, but this is probably about 10 kilos weight, so it's easy to shift if you need to relocate. So this is the tank full of 1 ton of water. It is still exceptionally strong. These panels are elasticated, which allows the tank to balance itself on an even ground. At the base of the tank here, we have 2 reinforced areas into which you can put outlet valves or decanting valves as required. So, all in all, a very robust piece of kit that is very compact when it is packaged.